At Closet Core Patterns, we believe that there isn't anything that you can't sew. And in our latest class, Learn to Sew Coats, we are thrilled to introduce you to the timeless art of coat making and tailoring. I'm your instructor, Heather Liu, and I think that there are few things in this world as fun and satisfying to sew as a beautiful and warm winter coat. It's not as hard as you think, and I cannot wait to share all my coat making tricks and tips with you as we break down the entire process into easy to understand lessons that you can watch anytime and anywhere. Using the chic and timeless Phoebe Coat, which is included with your enrollment as either a PDF or print pattern, you'll learn how to sew a fully lined double-breasted coat with a dramatic notched collar. Whether you're an advanced or a beginner sewist, you are going to learn so much while we sew this coat from start to finish. Here's what I'm excited to teach you in this class: how to choose the right size, and then how to shop for the right fabrics, interfacings, and supplies for sewing a beautiful, warm, and durable coat. All of my best tips for cutting fabric, including how to match checks and plaids, how to add warmth to your coat with a variety of inner linings, including thin slit, how to sew 2 different kinds of pockets, from a simple inseam pocket to an invisibly stitched patch pocket, how to properly sew buttons and buttonholes on bulky fabrics, including a special lesson on sewing couture bound buttonholes, how to fully assemble a coat, from sewing a 2-piece collar and stand to constructing a crisp notch collar and setting in sleeves. And we'll also cover a great technique for bagging a coat lining that results in a completely clean finish. Finally, how to finish your coat with gorgeous top stitching and other finishing details. All in all, we are going to introduce you to the basics of the timeless art of tailoring and give you the confidence to tackle any future tailoring project with ease. Making coats is so much fun. Join this class to discover why.